Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, as we all know, one of the hardest parts about shedding weight is giving up some of the delicious foods that you might enjoy. But that isn't always the case because knowing how to prepare healthy meals might be simpler than you think. And join me this morning from the You Weight Loss Center, the one and only Donna Herberger. No stranger to the kitchen, by the way. Donna, good to see you.
Tell my husband that.
Well, let's talk about eating healthy because a lot of people say, oh, it's so expensive. It's hard to prepare. You've got the solution right in your hands, right?
We do. We sell cookbooks. This is one of them, and it has over 100 recipes, 15, 20, and 30 minutes. Easy to prepare. All
right, we're going to show an easy to prepare meal in just a second. But first, we want to focus on Anne-Marie. She's on the journey right now,
yes.
Isn't she?
Yes, she's lost 20%, the orange t-shirt, 20 pounds. I'm sorry, 38 pounds in 20 weeks. And she's getting close to ideal, so she looks fantastic.
What's been the reason for her success?
She comes in every week. She's accountable. She meets with a coach. She does everything we ask her to do. And if you're 100% compliant, you're going to get 100% results, and that's her. All
right, having great results there in just 20 weeks, as you mentioned. Now, we talked about easy meals, prepare healthy meals. Recently, you had a chance to meet up with Chef Stephen Foreman from Time and Honey to make a delicious, simple chicken and cauliflower rice dish. Let's take a look at that preparation.
And it was great. Hi, we're at Artisan Kitchens and Baths in Buffalo, New York with Chef Stephen Foreman, and today we're going to show you how to make this great chicken with garlic.
Yes, garlic and tomato and ginger.
And
go ahead.
Cauliflower rice, and it's healthy and delicious, and you can also add a side cucumber salad. So take it away.
All right, well, again, we're going to start with having our mise en place all together, things in place. We're going to start with some avocado oil, okay? Making sure that my pan is nice and hot. Oh yeah, it's nice and hot. Here we go. And then we're gonna roast our aromats, right? We'll get that rice nice roasty. We got some ginger in there and garlic in there. Oh yeah, I smell that already?
I do.
Amazing. Listen to that sound. Got some good sizzle going on. Some flavors being created. This is amazing. Now what we're gonna do is add our chicken. Again, we want that to sear really nicely. And there's a purpose behind searing it. We want to get some flavor. I don't want just bland chicken, but when we sear the chicken, that searing is creating a flavor profile to our chicken to help bring out the dish even the more. So that's why we want to make sure our pan is hot and it's nice and searing. Look at that.
And that's why you put the spices in first.
Correct. So allowing the spices to get, their fragrance released. The heat is allowing that fragrance to be released. Adding some action. Oh yeah, look at that. See that? Look at that color.
Oh yeah.
That is called the Maillard reaction. For those that might know a little bit about food science, Maillard reaction is protein reacting to heat, and it's actually creating some flavor right now. Alrighty, you see that?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Smell. Let's go.
How long have you been a chef?
Long time, over 30 years.
Wow.
So now we're gonna add our diced tomatoes. I actually took the seeds out. Oh yeah, oh smell that.
That's great.
Tell me that isn't amazing. We're gonna add our seasonings now. A little bit more seasoning, a little bit of salt, right? All right, we're almost finished here. All right, now we're gonna add a little bit of cilantro and our cauliflower rice.
Yep.
And after we saute that off, chicken stock, put a lid on it, and we're home stretch right now. Look at that. Look at all that amazing flavor.
So, Chef, we did this super quick.
Yep.
You're a professional chef, but for the person at home, how long would this take them to prepare?
For the person at home, maybe 12 to 15 minutes.
Great.
As long as everything is pre-cut and prepped, that usually takes long, but 12 to 15 minutes, you're ready to eat at the table.
Healthy, fast food.
Healthy, very healthy.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Love the technique of flipping the food there and right.
He makes it look so easy.
Basically easy. He's great. Folks make their own dinners on the program. But what about the other food and the costs of that on the program?
So we provide breakfast, lunch, and snack. The client provides vegetables for lunch and dinner, and they get to make their own dinner, something like that, or eat out in a restaurant. $5 a meal from us. $5 for breakfast, $5 for lunch, $5 for their snack. And Kevin, you can't even get a Happy Meal for under $6 to $9, and I'm sorry, but it's junk. So ours is healthy, it's protein, it's delicious. It's going to help preserve that muscle and lose the weight.
Yeah, the price is making melancholy meals anyways today. This is going to make you smile and be happy. We'll tell you how you can get started at the You Weight Loss Center to reach your weight loss goals. They can successfully help you reach them and most importantly, keep the weight off. your healthy, rapid weight loss center, and they have 3 locations in our area. To find out more about their weight loss program, go to the website at idealu.com. Also important to note, they offer virtual coaching too for those who live outside of Erie, Niagara County. You don't have to commute. You can do it virtually. They can also ship the food right to your location.